Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed exercise 4.1 all 22 questions and I was explaining some properties of numbers under multiplication. No? So today I am going to explain the multiplication of numbers, how to multiply the numbers. So I have taken the numbers, find these products, first one and second one. Product means you should multiply the number, we will get the answer, that is the product. So how to multiply the number? So first write down the number, okay, in that number place values 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So here 1, 10, 100, 1000. So next number is 28. Ones place, tens place. So how to multiply the number? So first, what we have to multiply? First multiply the 8 to all these number. 8 2s are how much? 8 2s are 16. No? So 1 carry. Otherwise take it here. 1 carry. Next, 8 3s are how much? 24. 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25. So write down only 5 to carry. Next, 8 4s are how much? 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. No? So 4, 3 carry. Next, 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 3, 43. So write down the complete number. Because this is the last number. Next, again multiply 2. 2 2s are how much? So here take it 0. Okay. So write down, start from here, tens place. 2 2s are how much? 4. Next, 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are how much? 10. Okay. Now add these two. Add these two. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 6, 10. Only 0. So 1 carry here. 1 carry more. 3 plus 1. So here 1 will be carried. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. So here 1 carry again. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 0, 5 only. So there is no number with 0 is there. 0 plus 1, 1. So what is the answer? So write down that one. 152096. 1,52,096. That's the answer. What is that answer? 1,52,096. Okay, this is the way of multiplying two numbers. So next, try this one. 4 7s are how much? 4 7s are 28. So to carry. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Next, 4 9s are 36 plus 3, 39. Again 3 carry. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 16 plus 3, 19. So next, start from here. 5 7s are, but here you should put the zeros. When you multiply the second number to the above number, so first take the 0 in ones place. So next, 5 7s are 35. So 5 here, 3 carry. Okay. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 3, 43. So 4 carry. Next, 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. So again 4 carry. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. So now add it. What will get the answer? Add these two. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So 1 carry here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. So 1 carry again. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. So next here there is no number with 0. 0 plus 2, 2. So what is the answer? Write down that number. 269,298. So put the commas. 2,69,298. This is the way of multiplying the numbers. Next, third one. So second one, how to multiply the larger numbers. So first, again start from units place. 5 7s are how much? 35. So write down here 35. So 3 carry here. Okay. Next, 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 3 carry. Next, 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 2 carry. Next 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 2 carry. Next 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So 17 no this one. So first one now multiply. So 0. Okay. Next one you have to multiply the remaining number. Again next here 0 is there. 0 and any number 0 only, that is the 0 property of number under multiplication. No? So here 0 is there. Don't multiply all numbers and again don't write the zeros. Directly take another 0. After that multiply 4. So now multiply from 4. 4 7 is how much? 28. So 28. So 4 7 are 28. Next 4 6 are 24 plus 2 26. 2 carry. Next 4 5 are 20. 20 plus 2 22. Next 4 4 are 16. 16 plus 2 18. 1 carry. Next 4 3 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 12 plus 1 13. So now add these two numbers. Add these two numbers. 5 plus 0 5. 3 plus 0 3. 8 plus 8 16. 1 carry. 1 carry. 5 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 6 9. 7 plus 2 9. 1 plus 8 9. 0 plus 3 3 and remaining number is 1. So what is the answer? Answer is, so write down the number 139 6 3 5. So place the commas. 1 crore 39,99,635. Okay. So see here, if an x digit number is multiplied by a y digit number, the product will not be more than x plus y digit. Will not be more than x plus y digit. So what is the meaning? So here x is a 3-digit number. So here this is 3-digit number and this is 1-digit number. If you multiply these two, the product you will get the digit. No, it will be not more than x plus y digit. X plus y means here how many digits are there? 3 plus 1. So x plus y means here total 3 plus 1 4 digits. No, so 4 digits. So this is x plus 5. So multiply these two. 125 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 1 carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 6. So here x into y. How many digits are there? 3 digits. No. So x into y. That is you will get 3 digits. No. So here x into y is not more than x plus y. No. Not more than x plus y. So before 3 problems I was explained. No. Try that one also. Here x into y is not more than x plus y digit. If you multiply x digit number to y digit number, the result will get no, that is not more than x plus y digit, because here 3 is smaller than 4. No, that means this is not greater than 4. Let's go to the exercise 5.1. First question: for any 3 numbers a, b and c, a into bracket b into c equals to a into b into c is a dash. So what is that? They given the 4 options. Which property it is? 3 numbers are there and multiplication. So this property is associative property. Associative property, option B. Option B. So next, for any number a into 1 equals to 1 into a equals to a is called the dash property. Here 1 into a into 1. Which property? Identity property. No. So option identity property, multiplicative identity. So this is multiplicative identity. No. So option C. So option C. So next, for any 3 numbers a, b and c, a into b plus c, b plus c equals to a into b plus a into c is a dash. This is property we call it as a distributive property. In higher class we will get to know about this distributive property. So this is a distributive property. So what is the option? Option B. So option B. Okay. So next, fourth one: when an x digit number is multiplied by a y digit number, the product will not be more than So options they given x plus y, x minus y, x into y, x divided by y. Now only express that x plus y digit, which is not more than x plus y digit. So option A. So option A. Next fifth question. The digits in the ones place of the product of 11,111 and 111 is. So they ask the digit in the ones place. Ones place means just multiply ones place to here ones place. 1 into 1. 1 only, no? So answer is 1. So what is the option they given? Write down that option. So next sixth one, the digit in the ones place of the product of this number and this number. So they ask again ones place. Ones place means just multiply one place to ones place. 2 2s are how much? 2 2s are 4. No? So answer is 4. So options are. So sixth one option A, and fifth one option. This is also A. Sorry, sixth one option C. No, this one. 4 answer is C option C. Next seventh one, the product of largest 2-digit number by itself. So first you should write the largest 2-digit number. So 9. This is largest 1-digit number. Largest 2-digit number means 99. So by itself you should multiply 99 into again 99 only. By itself means you should multiply again 99. So what will be the answer? So multiply 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81 plus 8 89. Okay. So now next 0. So you should write from here. So again 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. So 8 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 8 89. So add it. What will be the answer? 1 10. 1 carry 9 9 18. 1 carry 9. So how many digits are there? 4 digits. No? So answer is 4 digits. So next 8 one. Multiply 3215 into 23 equals to blank into 3215 plus 3 into 3215. So this is one property. Which property? This is distributive property. So how to write that one? So here 3215 is there, no? Into we have written 23. We can write it as 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 we can write it, no? 23 as a 20 plus 3. So now, so this is one property is there. So A into B plus C. A into B plus C. How to write that? A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. So A is common here. 3215. Here also common. Here also common. No? So they have taken A value as 3215. So write down that one. So here the second one they have taken 3. So that means you should take here 20 into 3215 plus 3 into 3215. So here A value is 3215. I have taken A value. We can write A into B as B into A. Why? Commutative property, no? Right? So B value is 20 and C value is 3. C value is 3. So here answer is 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So next ninth one, the digits in the ones place of the product. So here they given number. Just multiply the numbers in the ones place is there, no? 3 5s are. So what is the answer? 3 into 5. 3 5s are how much? 15. But you should write the ones place value. Ones place value. Answer is 5. Answer. Next 10 one. Find the product of 1000 and 100. So how to multiply this one? So write down that one. 1000 into 100. Okay. So here 0 is there. So don't multiply 0 to all the numbers. So take 1 0 only. So again 0 is there. So again take 0. So now multiply from 1. Why? Because if you multiply you will get again 0 only. So don't write it. Just write down the 2 zeros. Next multiply from 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 only. So what is the answer? 1 lakh. Otherwise, how we can directly multiply? Here how many zeros are there? 3. Here 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 zeros as it is 1. Just keep it 1 as it is. 1 in 5 zeros. 1 lakh. So next, here also. Here how many zeros are there? 4. Here 2 zeros. Total how many zeros? 6 zeros. Just multiply 3 into 2. What is the answer? 3 into 2, 6. 6 zeros. What will be the answer? 6 zeros. This will be the answer. So just check it. You will get the answer of 30,000 into 200. No, this one. So multiply. Here 0 is there. So don't try multiply. Again 0 is there. Don't multiply. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 2 into 0. 2 into 0, 0. 2 3s are 6. So here 6 is there. Total how many 6 zeros are there? 6. No? You get the same answer. No? This is direct multiplication. This is direct multiplication. When 100,000, 10,000 they give. Okay. So next. So 12th one. What is the maximum number of digits in the product when a 4-digit number is multiplied by 2-digit number? So 4-digit number means that is x, and x equals to 4, y equals to 2. Why? Because x digit number. So this is 4-digit number and 2-digit number. If you multiply this one, x into y, you will get how many digit number? Maximum. Maximum equals to x plus y. Why? X into y is not more than x plus y. It is not more than x plus y, but may be equal to x plus y. No, it may be equal to x plus y. So what is the condition? X into y is not more than. It may be equal to no. It may be equal to x plus y. It is not more than x plus y. That means this is smaller than or equal to x plus y. So maximum number of digits are 6-digit number. 6-digit number. For this problem, I have just explained. No, if you want to write it, write down in your face.